How to make money or earn money using LinkedIn. Well, making money on LinkedIn involves optimizing your profile for lead generation, creating targeted content to build authority, and nurturing connections through DMs to secure clients or partnerships. So you'll need to have key strategies, and those include selling services such as freelancing or coaching and generating leads for your business, promoting affiliate products, or collaborating with the brands as well. So first thing is to use a tangible transformation format that is helping audience achieve results on that. So if you sell a service such as that I mentioned before, freelancing or coaching, and you can earn through LinkedIn that way. Build up your profile, use a professional high contrast headshot and a banner that highlights your value proposition in your profile. Link directly to your portfolio, booking page, or a free guide or a lead magnet shot. Similarly, you want to create authority building content. Post at least once a week. So you can tap on post option and proceed to post at least once a week, focusing on results, client stories, and frameworks. Make sure you want to use the 80 by 20 rule, 80% educational content and 20% promotional content. You don't want to make it too much promotional content so that audience get away. Similarly, address the specific pains of your ideal client to attract them. Use text, carousels, or video to maintain consistency and engagement as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.